Picture this, a grand orchestra filled with violins, drums, flutes, and trumpets. Each musician reads from the same sheet, but imagine if they played at their own pace. Disaster, right? Now enter the conductor. With a single wave, they align every sound into one symphony. That's coordination, making different efforts blend into one beautiful performance. Just like in music, businesses need that harmony too. In this video, we uncover why coordination isn't just a task, it's the invisible force that binds all parts of management together. So what exactly is coordination? It's the art of synchronizing different efforts, making sure marketing, finance, and production all row in the same direction. Picture it as the invisible thread that ties people, tasks, and timelines into one cohesive unit. Because without coordination, even the most brilliant departments can end up working at cross purposes, wasting effort and missing the goal. Why is coordination called the essence of management? Because it doesn't stand alone, it flows through every other function. Planning sets the goals, but coordination ensures everyone moves toward them. Organizing assigns roles, but coordination makes them fit together. It's the gear at the center, turning individual parts into a smooth, unified system. Without it, even the best managed tasks fall out of sync. Let's break down what makes coordination so vital. It integrates group efforts, bringing together people with different roles, all aiming at the same goal. It ensures unity of action, no overlap, no confusion. It's continuous from planning day one to the final delivery. It's all-pervasive, needed at every level, from the top floor to the shop floor. And here's the catch, it requires deliberate effort. Coordination doesn't just happen. It must be created, guided, and maintained. As a business grows, so does its complexity, new branches, new teams, new challenges. Without coordination, this growth can turn into confusion. But with strong coordination, every department stays aligned. The vision remains clear, and the entire organization moves as one, no matter how big it gets. In any modern organization, departments speak different languages. Finance talks numbers. Marketing chases attention. HR focuses on people. Each has its own goals, and that's a good thing. But without coordination, they clash instead of collaborate. That's where coordination steps in, aligning these diverse functions toward one common outcome. Specialization brings deep knowledge, engineers, designers, analysts, all experts in their field. But here's the challenge, deep focus can lead to disconnection. That's why coordination is essential. It breaks down the silos, connecting expert minds to a common purpose and turning isolated brilliance into collective success. Picture an ISRO satellite launch. Hundreds of scientists, engineers, IT specialists, all working on different systems at different stages. But in that final countdown, they move as one. One missed cue, one misstep, and the mission could fail. What makes it all come together? Precision, planning, and above all, flawless coordination. Let's wrap it up. Coordination is the invisible force that brings every plan to life. It aligns departments, decisions, and people, creating one unified effort. As businesses grow, it becomes even more critical. And it's not just a step, it runs through every function of management. Because without coordination, even the best ideas fall apart. Great organizations don't just run on plans, they thrive on coordination. It's what turns scattered efforts into shared success and chaos into clarity. Up next, we dive into the principles of management, timeless rules that shape smart decisions and effective leadership. Stay tuned, your journey into mastering management is just getting started.